Animal Shtick. Hello?
Oh, son!
Oh, God.
Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Huh? Check 1, 2. Remember the fence we talked about? Okay, you're gonna go down that fence this way, right? I'm gonna need the pen. Anything yet? No, neither. Check 1, 2. Focus. You're not focusing.
So when I say Sons of Scotland, no, you don't run yet. You don't run until I say.
3, 2, 1. Fully awake.
Look, I say Sons of Scotland, tyranny, and then you go.
Look me in the eye.
Okay, you three there. Please, there you are, darling. Where are you going? But they can't take our freedom! Oh my God! Shoot! Scores! He scores!